Good afternoon, everybody. Dr. Don White, River Oaks Chiropractic Clinic here in Fort Worth, Texas. We are your Fort Worth chiropractors. We've got Bobby today. Bobby has been seeing us for a little while. You got in a car wreck with your lovely bride a little while back. We're getting close to releasing y'all. Tell us about what happened. Tell us about your experience and tell everybody out there in YouTube land.
Well, I mean, we got a pretty bad car accident. It was my wife's brand new car, and that was her birthday present.
Yeah.
And unfortunate that we hit somebody pretty hard,
Yeah.
and it's nothing. We're never gonna forget it. But my wife found you guys by referral from her doctor.
Yep.
And then when we first came here, I was kind of hesitant.
Yeah.
I just thought that this is not going to work.
And then you saw this big goofy guy, and you're like, you can't do that bad.
No, yeah, I did. I met you,
Yeah.
and I gotta say, you bring joy to my day every time I come here. So
Big goofy guy. I mean, it works.
He's a very funny guy. You get the job done, and the experience I've had here is phenomenal.
Appreciate that. Appreciate that.
We go home feeling better.
Yeah.
Every single day, and every single day we wake up feeling better.
That's good.
So
love to hear
thank
that.
you so much.
Yeah, you
for
bet.
all that you've done.
So a lot of people get in car wrecks and think, I'm okay, I'm not hurting that bad. Well, it can take up to 2 years for the damage to actually start showing its ugly face. It's a big soft tissue injury that does take time to progress. Just like when you hit your elbow on the back of a chair or a doorknob, a few days later the bruise shows up and you're like, what's that from? Why is it so sore? Well, this is a much larger incident than that, right?
Yeah.
And so being that it only takes about 5 miles an hour to create whiplash, if you don't treat that, it's only going to get worse over time. It might not be bad now, it might not be bad next week or next month, but it can slowly start, and usually does start, causing a degenerative process. And so you need to come in and get checked out if you do get in a car wreck, and y'all did great. So let's get you laying on your stomach. We're going to go ahead and adjust you.
All right.
And folks, remember, this is to show you what all chiropractic can do, not to teach you how to do what we do. We go through 4 years of regular college and then grad school as well to get licensed and trained to do this safely and effectively. All right there, right between the shoulder blades. Let that relax right there. Gonna pop the table up underneath you. Big old shift on that sacrum right there. That feel all right?
Yeah, feels good.
Get these ribs moving right here. Upper ribs on the right are usually pretty stiff on Mr. Bobby. He's definitely right-handed, and you can tell. Go ahead and go sit in that chair down there by your feet.
See, now you just got me up so quick.
And
I just want to just lay there.
I just want to lay there. All right. And when he and his wife get adjusted at the same time, he typically goes last so he can lay there. Let that drop right over here in my hand. Yeah. All right, wonderful. All right, well, thank you all for watching this video today. Make sure you like us, subscribe, follow us, share us with your friends. We're here to help you out with any sports injuries, car wrecks, just regular old maintenance too. So thank you all for watching. We'll see y'all soon.